Softball 605. We're here with Coach Carla Brozic of the Winter, is it
12U.
12U, not the Lady Warriors?
We call ourselves Winter Blaze this year.
Winter Blades or Blades?
Blaze.
Okay. Congratulations on that silver championship win.
Thank you. We're pretty excited about it too.
Yeah, your girls were really looking good there. Has it been a great tournament for you, obviously?
Tournament's been great. We love this tournament. We lost 2 yesterday, won 1. I thought we played pretty well though all day yesterday, even though we lost the 2 games we did. So we felt pretty good coming into today, even though we were in the silver bracket. So
obviously you did well enough to be here.
Yeah.
You take home some good hardware.
Yeah.
Now, how long have you been coaching, Carla?
Oh boy, someone asked me that the other day. I think this is my 7th year coaching. I've started with 7 and 8-year-olds, and now my daughter's on this 12-year-old team, so that's why we coach.
You coach because there's a need for coaches, right?
Yeah.
Do you play as well? Did you play?
I played up till I was 16 years old and played a little bit of women's and a little bit of co-ed after that, but I don't play anymore right now.
Focus on coaching.
Yeah, exactly. I'm retired and will hurt myself if I play now.
Well, coaching can be enough of a challenge sometimes. What's your favorite part about coaching?
Oh, getting to know all the players, their personalities. I think that's the most favorite part. You know, teaching comes secondary too, but I think creating that camaraderie between them all is a good thing.
So what did your team do really well this weekend?
We've struggled all year pitching, so I'd have to say our pitching went well this weekend for us. We fielded the ball fairly well also. And I would say that's the things we did the best right now. We even had someone catch in the outfield. That doesn't happen very much, but that was a great accomplishment for us. So
Celebrate every victory you can, right?
You bet, you bet.
So now you guys going to go to state?
We have it on the schedule. I don't know at this point. We just have 2 regular season games left, and then it's 2 weeks until state after that. So we're up in the air at the moment. I guess we'll have to figure that out by the end of this week. So.
Well, congratulations on the championship win. Maybe we'll see you at state.
Thank you very much.